Ever tried on clothes online and wondered how they'd look in real life? What if an AI could not only show you that dress on your body, but also figure out what you'd look like without it? That's the power of virtual try-on and try-off. And today, we're breaking down how a new AI model called Voost is making this possible. Let's start with the basics. Virtual try-on isn't just about slapping a shirt onto a photo. It's about making it fit, look real, and match the lighting, pose, and even fabric texture of the person wearing it. But traditional methods often struggle with details like sleeve length, body shape, or how clothes drape. That's where Voost steps in. Voost is a diffusion transformer, a type of AI that combines two powerful ideas: diffusion models, which generate images by gradually adding and removing noise, and transformers, the same tech behind chatbots like ChatGPT. Together, they let the model paint clothes onto a person's image while preserving realistic details. But here's the kicker: it's bidirectional. That means it can do both try-on, adding clothes, and try-off, removing them with the same model. Think of it like a digital tailor who's also a magician. The model doesn't just slap on a shirt. It understands the person's body shape, the garment's design, and even the lighting in the photo. How? By training on a massive, diverse dataset. Their dataset includes real-world photos, like high-res shots taken in studios and casual fashion images from the web. They even filtered these to ensure clothes are clearly visible, poses are varied, and lighting looks natural. The result? A mix of 52% tops, 24% bottoms, and 23% full outfits, so the model isn't biased toward any single type of clothing. But here's where it gets smart. To prevent the model from cheating, they used mask augmentation. For try-on, they'd completely hide the clothes in a photo, but leave the face and hands visible. This forces the AI to rely only on the garment image. For try-off, they do the opposite: hide the person's body but keep the clothes visible. This dual approach trains the model to understand the relationship between bodies and garments, not just copy pixels. Now let's talk about the magic behind the scenes. Voost uses something called token-level concatenation. Think of it like a recipe that uses the same ingredients to make two different dishes. The model processes the person and garment together, but with special task tokens that tell it whether to focus on try-on or try-off. This setup avoids the need for separate networks or extra training data, making it super efficient. And there's more. The researchers added two smart tricks to boost reliability. First, attention temperature scaling helps the model handle differences in image resolution or masks. Second, self-corrective sampling lets try-on and try-off predictions refine each other, like a team working together to fix mistakes. The proof is in the pixels. On standard test datasets, their method outperformed existing systems across every metric. Their model produced photos so realistic, you'd swear they were taken with a camera. And in user tests, people consistently preferred their results for details like fabric texture and body alignment. This isn't just about virtual shopping. It's about creating a new paradigm for AI-driven image editing. By combining diffusion models with transformers and introducing bidirectional learning, Voost sets a new benchmark for precision and adaptability. Ever wondered how those seamless virtual try-ons work? Like, how does an AI turn a plain t-shirt into a flowy dress without making it look weird? Let's break down this cool research that's pushing the boundaries of image editing. So the team tested their method with 4,500 different examples, and guess what? It outperformed other models. But here's the catch: it's not perfect. If the mask, which is just a digital outline of the clothing, doesn't fully cover the original garment, the AI might inpaint the exposed areas, like trying to fill in gaps but blending the old and new in unexpected ways. Think of it like doodling over a sketch that's not fully covered. The lines might mix in a mess. Even when the mask is spot-on, tricky details like shadows or patterns from the original clothes can fool the model. It might end up with blurry edges or weird distortions. But here's the good news: this AI shines in real-world situations. Whether it's a casual tee, a fancy dress, or someone in a weird pose, it handles it all. And when compared to other top models on datasets like VITONHD and Dress Code, it keeps designs looking sharp and true to the original. Even in the wild examples, like random photos from the internet with messy backgrounds or weird lighting, it produces clean, realistic results. Sure, there's still room to improve, but this research shows how control in AI editing can lead to smoother, more trustworthy outcomes. So the next time you see a virtual try-on that looks totally natural, remember, it's the result of balancing creativity with precision. AI isn't perfect yet, but every step forward makes these tools feel more like magic than math. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.